Pseudocode Algorithm 2930. Good morning to everyone. My name is Daniel Omalaran. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is pseudocode algorithm. So, ano nga bang pseudocode algorithm? Ang pseudocode algorithm is meron siyang step-by-step process na gagawin mo siya into paper, then i-ano mo siya into C++ programming. So, ngayon gagawin natin ang pseudocode algorithm. So, for number 29 question is, a retail store grants its customers a maximum amount of credit. Each customer's available credit hit his or her maximum amount of credit minus the amount of credit used. Write pseudocode algorithm for a program that asks for a customer's maximum amount of credit and amount of credit used. The program should then display the customer's available credit. After you write the pseudocode algorithm, convert it into a complete C++ programming. So, ito na nga. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is isusulat muna natin siya sa papel, then bago natin ilagay into C++ programming. So, for the first step of pseudocode algorithm is start. Then for the second, pangalawa is declare variables. First is max credit, second is credit use, available credit, and prompt input max credit. Input the credit use, and then for number 5 is calculate available credit and is equals to max credit minus credit use. And then display available credit, and lastly, yan na po, nag-e-end ang pseudocode algorithm. So ito na nga guys, is tinry natin siya into coding C++ programming. So panoorin nyo lang paano siya ginawa. enter the amount of credit. So, enter, kunyari, 50,000. Enter amount of credit used, 1,000. And available credit is 49,000. Yun lang. So, for number 30, write a pseudocode algorithm for a program that calculates the total of a retail sale. The program should ask for the amount of the sale and the sales tax rate. The sales tax rate should be entered as a floating point number. For example, if the sales tax rate is 6%, the user should enter 0.06. The program should display the amount of sales tax and the total of the sales. After you write the pseudocode algorithm, convert it to a complete C++ program. So ito na nga ang pseudocode algorithm. So hindi ko na siya in-explain kasi in-explain ko na siya kanina. And try natin siya into C++ programming. So ito, panoorin nyo guys kung paano siya ginawa. So yun, at trinay natin at gumana naman siya, kaya success yung ating program na ginawa. Ilagay mo siya ng $50,000 enter amount of sale, enter the sale tax rate as a decimal. So nilagay mo siya ng decimal, 57.6.